The Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD tips the scales as the largest member of the Silverado lineup. Built similarly to the Silverado 1500 and Silverado 2500 HD, the 3500 HD pulls out all the stops when it comes to power, towing, and payload. Since this is a big truck, you only get the long box to help you manage your work, so be prepared to use it. With pulling power a paramount feature for the Silverado 3500 HD, this diesel 6.6-liter V8 turbo engine that can crank out 365 horsepower and 660 pounds-ft of torque. The standard transmission for the 3500 HD is a 6-speed automatic with a tow-haul mode, and is 4-wheel drive. Standard safety features on the Silverado 3500 HD include dual front airbags, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and a paid 1-year OnStar subscription. Also standard on all trims is electronic stability control. Print this page and call us now for your personalized test drive towards ownership. For your best price, contact Erwin Horn, our Internet Sales Manager.